Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a thrift with me video, and I'll be doing a haul as well. We're just really looking for some fall pieces. I really need to find like a denim jacket or just a jacket in general. It's getting really chilly out. And I also wanted to find some home decor. I really want to do a room makeover video for my channel, and yeah, just bring in a couple new pieces. And usually I luck out at Goodwill when it comes to home decor because the ones in my area, they get things from Target. Like if Target has out of season items or if they just don't sell. Usually Goodwill, I think Goodwill buys it or something like that, I'm not sure, but sometimes I find things with tags still on them from Target and it's like at a really low price, so hopefully I luck out today. Let's go ahead and head over to Goodwill. Take a look at their home section. I always come straight to the wicker baskets because I love wicker. Slightly obsessed. But I just found this one, which would be so cute on like a coffee table. So I think I'm gonna get this. It's only $4. Of course, they have their fall things out and their Halloween stuff. This is kind of cute. I've never really been one to like decorate for the seasons, but this is kind of cute. I can get down with this. This is really cute too. $3, that's a little too much for a pumpkin. This is pretty cute. This would be so cute for like a little jewelry tray. Love it. Just found the cutest tray. This is from Target originally and it's $7, but I think it's so worth it. This would be so cute for like my skincare on my desk, so definitely getting that. This sheet set from Target from the Hearth and Hand, the Magnolia line, but dang, I just noticed it's twin. So I found a bunch of really cute stuff, a lot of prints and some dresses that I found too. I think Target just like got rid of a bunch of stuff from either the summer season and now Goodwill has it, and I got a lot of Target brands, which is nice. This is the Wild Fable, and then this is Express, so hopefully these work. Let's try them on. Alright, first item, I am not a fan of how it fits. I just really love the print though, and I'm kind of bummed, but it just feels like too big here, if you know what I mean, and I don't really like this part of the sleeves. Just looks too big for me, so this one is a no, unfortunately. So, to be honest, I think I'm going to pass on this because I don't really like the color scheme of it, like the black and the yellow. But yeah, I mean, this would be cute with like white sneakers, but not totally in love with it. So, and it's like $7, so I don't think that's worth it. So, no. Alright, now this I can get down with. I love like the silhouette of it. I think this is really cute too with like all of my jewelry, just like the gold jewelry, and this would be so cute with some hoops and some white sneakers and like an oversized denim jacket. Okay, I am obsessed with this top. Definitely needs to be ironed, but I just love the sleeves on it, and it just looks kind of crazy right now because it's really wrinkly, but I really love like the tie in the front, and I think this would be so cute with some denim jeans and some like gold hoops. Found the cutest little basket from Target, and all of these little like fake leaves I think would be so cute. This reminds me of like the Opal House line at Target. It's just gold candle holder. I also love color coordination. It just is so satisfying. This is kind of cute. Now I'm looking at the bags, and they always have really cute like purses and bags, but this one is a little worn out, so this one caught my eye right away. And then I saw this one, which looks in great condition. It's just like this little shopper bag. I thought it was cute, but I really don't need any more bags, so. Just found this Tommy Hilfiger jacket, but I'm not really sure if I like the color of denim. But it's also 10 bucks, which is not that bad for Tommy Hilfiger, but it's a large, so I guess we'll see how it fits. I just found this really cute plaid jacket from Forever 21, but it's a medium, so it looks a little too big, but we'll try it out. Using this tray on my vanity slash desk area, and I thought this was perfect for my makeup brushes. I also put it in this not today cup that I found, and yeah, a lot of my skincare and beauty bits, some sunglasses, my perfume, kind of like on my daily things that I use. So yeah. I don't have a coffee table. I ended up just using this tray underneath this little table that I have in my room just for extra storage, and I'm not really like sure how I feel about like all the textures, like the texture of the table and then like the wicker texture, but it'll do for now. I better take off all these tags before I forget. Alright you guys, well that is it. That is my thrift with me video and little haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so you can see more videos like this. And I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys.